Yo, good morning guys. Today is for day 4 ng ating 25 push-up in 25 days challenge. Kaya ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's go! Eight, six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Ayan. Tapos na naman natin ng 25 repetition ng push-up. Medyo hingal pa. Dahil may warm up pa tayong takbo kanina. 2 kilometro. Hanggang dito lang muna guys. Bukas ulit.